What's up Pokemon fans? Day 7 na nga pala ng ating challenge of opening 3 packs per week for 365 days. At 2 weeks na tayo nag-open guys. So, let's go! Kuha kaya natin ng Sunbrayan ngayon? 1, 2, 3, 4 8, saan ba yun? Wow! Saan ba yun? Alright. Let's go!